So I just want to show you guys what comes in our kit besides the head unit. We've got obviously for speakers, we've got a GPS antenna, USB retention cable, reverse camera cable. We've also got different kits, power harness kits. So you usually have like different sort of inputs. We've got your covered, we've got trimming tools and a Vhedia scanning tool as well.
I'll show you guys. I know it's a bit hard to see, but like the sort of wiring we did, we had to use this SPI connector here for power to run to the new harness here, just because it needed power. So you can see it's got an actual earth there, so it holds power to it. So this will come in our kit. You may not need to use this as a source of power, but we'll leave one there just in case you need to create like an earth and join the two up together. And that's what we did here. So guys, so obviously here, I'll quickly show you guys on how to do this. So this would go into here. And then they'll sort of sit like so there. And then this will go on the back. Just make sure it sort of like matches the holes on the other side. Same thing here. So here you go, I just wanted to quickly show what I meant. So like the brackets here, they hold both here. So this one here and here, it's got like another two at the bottom there, so like here and over here, where my finger, where my thumb is here. So like as you can see, like you put it together and then it will sort of hold it there, and then it will basically hold it in place like so. So then all you have to do there is just push it back and you'll be good to go. You sort of push it back, you'll be sweet to go. I'll just quickly show you guys on how to do that. So once the screen is in, I'll just show you guys on how to put it back. Make sure if you did take off of the whole thing out, make sure these plugs are all plugged in. Just make sure it clips in like so, and then there you have it, your brand new D22 head unit. So guys, obviously this is like the finished product. This is like the finished product. Here's like your CarPlay things, obviously like the phone hooked up to. It's pretty cool, so like cool setup, and like, as you can see, it's like a floating sort of head unit. Like see there, like so the screws will be set at the back like before. It's just like a screw sort of floats, as you can see there.